Welcome to Math Tutorials. In this video, we are solving every question of exercise 4.3 of Chapter 4, Determinants, from the NCERT Mathematics textbook for Class 12, Part 1. Exercise 4.3 has 5 questions on minors and cofactors, writing them for 2 by 2 and 3 by 3 determinants, and using cofactor expansions to evaluate. Here they are. Question 1. The minor of an entry is the determinant left after deleting its row and column. The cofactor attaches the checkerboard sign. 2 by 2 determinants to process. Part 1, minors. Delete each entry's row and column and read what remains. Cofactors apply the sign -1 to the power I plus j. Only the 1, 2, and 2, 1 positions flip. Part 2, the same in letters, minors first. And cofactors, with the 2 off-diagonal signs flipped. Question 2, the 3 by 3 version, 9 minors each, found by crossing out a row and a column. The identity determinant first, then a general one. For the identity, each diagonal minor is the 2 by 2 identity determinant. 1. Every off-diagonal minor contains a 0 row or column, giving 0. The checkerboard signs act on zeros or on diagonal entries, so the cofactors are identical to the minors. Part 2, row 1 minors, each 2 by 2 written out. Rows 2 and 3 the minors continue. -4, 2, 1, then -20, -13, 5. Apply the checkerboard of signs for the cofactors. Question 3. Expansion along the second row smart because it contains a 0. The determinant is 5, 3, 8 over 2, 0, 1 over 1, 2, 3. The 3 second row cofactors, each with its sign and 2 by 2 written. The expansion, each second row entry times its cofactor, the 0 kills the middle term. 14 minus 7, the determinant is 7. Question 4. An algebraic classic, expanding along the third column, produces a beautifully symmetric factorization. The columns are ones, the variables, and the paired products yz, zx, xy. The 3 third column cofactors, each a 2 by 2 and x, y, z. Multiply each by its column entry and add. Expanding and regrouping, the 6 terms factor into the classic product of differences. The final question, a concept check. Which pairing of entries and cofactors gives the determinant? 4 candidate sums are on offer. Only one is a genuine expansion. A valid expansion pairs each entry of 1 row or 1 column with its OWN cofactor. Down the first column, that reads A11, A11, plus A21, A21, plus A31, A31. Mixing rows with mismatched cofactors gives 0, not delta, only the matched pairing survives. That completes exercise 4.3. That completes all 5 questions of exercise 4.3. In the next video, we will take up exercise 4.4 on the adjoint and inverse of a matrix. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, do like it, subscribe to Math Tutorials, and share it with your friends.